Hey friends, if Notepad is missing on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So for the sake of this example, we will search for Notepad, click on the download pointing arrow and uninstall it. Let it be uninstalled, let it be gone. Okay. Now we don't have a Notepad on our computer. So what? All we need to do is to search for store in the Windows search bar and go to the Microsoft Store and search for Notepad here and hit enter. Go to Windows Notepad and click on the option to install and open it. Okay, so it's still installing. It will need a while to download, and once it is downloaded, it will start installing on the system. So we will wait till then. And yes, we need to be sure that we're using the Notepad application by Microsoft Corporation, the one with 15,000 ratings. Okay, so this is the resolution. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.